I drank some of it already. This here. I really like these. Shit, let's get going. I am ready to get out of here. Jeez. The snow is... I'm happy it's here because it's definitely gonna be a good night, I think. I should have worn my boots. I do not actually have on any snow boots, snowshoes. I might take the car to the car wash and wash the snow off just to, I don't know, be able to see a little. Okay, green. I could feel it is slippery, like I am sliding. Just getting to my visibility is shit. Get that going. Yeah, I'll definitely take the car and just spray it down. Just get the snow off of me. Or maybe once I start going, it'll come off. Stop early because you don't wanna slide. Getting this and this. And one of these. And another one. So these are all the things I just purchased. Someone is definitely not feeling okay. I'm 14 minutes from my destination. So I'm here, bag ripped on me. So that was amazing. I had to do an ID scan and that was successful. She was really awesome. So currently I am waiting for the customer to come and get their food. It's a college campus, so they said they're coming in a quickie. That's what they said. And I hanged up. I normally the reason I'm waiting because normally where I normally take it, it's just very obvious. And when I come to this side of the building for this delivery, it is not so obvious to me. So it's more like, I feel like if I was to put the food down anywhere, someone could pick it up. But this quickie thing is not, like, she not here yet. Should I just put it on the bus stop? I'm trying to wait because I don't think anyone would take it because there's a security guard here. I feel like if I left it, then a security guard might protect it. And it's cold out, so I don't know what to do. So I still haven't seen the person. Oh, there she is. I see her, I think. Hello. Oof. It is freezing out here.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great night. Thank you. Thank you. Good. All right, that was successful. I parked and now I'm heading back to the location. It is cold. That's why I don't like getting food in certain areas, because you have to deal with no way to park. And that's the worst. I'm here. Okay, so I got my delivery and I'm heading to my car. I need to buy gloves. My fingers are cold, but I know by the time I get to the car, it's gonna be alright. Traffic. fuck, it's cold. I'm currently at the light right now. It's going to be 18 minutes till I get there. You can't see my hands, but this bitch is cold. I cut my hands. I was trying to cook something, and I threw in my cutting board and I forgot. And then I needed to cut up meat, and I was trying to cut it in my hands, and I cut myself. So I'm good though. Oh my. These two ready to go. Smells so nice today. Yeah. Alright guys, I am at my address. As you can see, snow is taking more right now. Oh man. Oh, this is a nice deck. You just have to drive safe, so hey. Oh, I'm walking around, I don't know. That's way too much snow. I'm gonna fall on my ass. Actually, I haven't fallen on my ass today, and I don't plan to. You know what I'm saying? I don't plan to at all. Yep, 16. All right, let's go. This is not a long walk. Oh gosh, brother. So my next delivery is 20 minutes away. It's a bit of a drive. And currently the time is, let's see. Currently the time is 7 o'clock. So I'm doing pretty good, I think, so far. And yeah, I'm enjoying the night so far. I still have to eat something, but I finished all my my carrot juice. I finished my carrot juice, so I still need to eat something, which I have that. I just need to find a time when I'm gonna. It smells like burnt firewood out here right now. Look at that, my guy. Look at the sky, bro. Like, what the fuck? So beautiful. Hello. I'm good. I wasn't sure where I should go because I couldn't see the front. All right. Have a great night. Thank you. Thank you so much. 3784. Okay. 3784. 3784. 3784. Before I forget. This is what it is. Wow. Currently, I am on another alcohol run. Arrived for my alcohol pickup. Hello. I have this already. Oh yeah. They're throwing salt down. Ew. Currently at the red light. Tonight was a pretty good night. I got a lot of my goals accomplished, which was getting as much deliveries as I wanted done. Now I'm heading home. Thank you guys for knowing me, and see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you have a great night. And if you're out there tonight, if it's snowing where you're at, please be safe. Because the snow, I mean, not the snow necessarily, because it depends on where you live, it's not that bad. But just make sure you put pink salt down, or just salt down. That shit, you do not want to be falling on your ass. It is, at certain places I was at tonight, a little slippery like that, so you just gotta be careful out there. All right, y'all, have a great night. This was fun.